Hello students, good evening everybody. In differentiation exercise 13.4, let us see the last problem. If f of x equal to x square minus 19x plus 18, find f dash 2. So we are given here f of x equal to x square minus 19x plus 18. So to find f dash 2, first we should write the principle here. F dash x equal to limit h tending to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x upon h. So now I am going to find f dash 2. So in the place of x we have to keep 2, right? Limit h tending to 0, f of 2 plus h minus f of 2 upon h, right? In the place of x keep 2. So find out f of 2 here first. In the place of x keep 2. 2 square 19 into 2 plus 18. 4 minus 38 plus 18. This is 18 plus 4, 22 minus 38, 6, 1. So minus 16. So put the value here. Limit h tending to 0. F of 2 plus h means in the place of x keep 2 plus h. So 2 plus h whole square, 19 of 2 plus h plus 18 plus 16 because minus of minus 16 upon h. Limit h tending to 0, in a plus b whole square I am taking a square plus b square plus 4h minus 18 minus 19h plus 34 upon h. So limit h tending to 0, h square minus 19h plus 4h minus 15h, constant terms minus 14, 38 minus 18, 20. So which 20? Plus 20, right? Upon h, right? So once check. 19 twos are, sorry, 38, no? Sorry for the mistake. Minus 19 twos are, I thought 9 twos are. So 38 minus 19h plus 34. So these two gets cancelled here, right? That's what I am thinking. So h should be taken common here. H, if you take common, h minus 15 upon h. So in the place of h keep this. Okay? So minus 15. Therefore f dash 2 value minus 15. Right? That is the first one. Next, to find out f dash minus 1, we have to use in the place of x minus 1 now. So before that, what should you find? F of minus 1 we should find. So f of minus 1 means in the place of x keep minus 1. Minus 1 whole square, 19 into minus 1 plus 18. 1 plus 19 plus 18. 38. F of 10 also. 10 square, 19 into 10 plus 18. 100 minus 190 plus 18. So 118 minus 190. 190 minus 118. So minus 72. Right? That we will take third problem. Now I want to find f dash minus 1. So limit h tending to 0, f of, in the place of x I should keep minus 1 plus h minus f of minus 1 upon h. So limit h tending to 0, f of minus 1 plus h means in the place of x, h minus 1 I am writing minus 19 into h minus 1 plus 18. This one 38, right? Minus 38 by h. Limit h tending to 0, you take a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square, a minus b whole square minus 19h plus 19 minus 20 upon h. This 2 gets cancelled. Then limit h tending to 0, I will take h common, remaining h minus 2 minus 21 I will write directly. Minus 19 minus 2 minus 21 upon h. So if you keep h plus 0, minus 21. You can check it. X square derivative 2x minus 19. In the place of x keep minus 1. So write minus 21. Therefore f dash minus 1 value minus 21. You can check it by using differentiation. Right? Next one, let me see. F dash 10. How do we do that f dash 10? F dash 10. F dash 10 means in the place of x keep 10. Limit h tending to 0, f of 10 plus h minus f of 10 upon h. So already I got the value of f of 10 here. So solve it. Limit h tending to 0, f of 10 plus h means 10 plus h whole square, 19 into 10 plus h plus 18 upon plus 18 minus f of 10 means plus 72 upon h. So limit h tending to 0, 100 plus h square, 2 tens are 20h minus 190, right, minus 19h plus 90 by h. Limit h tending to 0. Here 100, 90, 190 minus 190 cancel. H square plus 20h minus 19h upon h. Limit h tending to 0, h square plus h upon h. So limit h tending to 0, take h common, h plus 1 upon h. So answer will be 1. 20 minus 90, right. Final answer is 1. Therefore, f dash 10 value 1. This is the final answer. Hope it is clear. So with this problem, exercise 13.4 has been completed. So we shall continue exercise 13.5 in the next class. Hope it is clear. Thank you.